Good morning and welcome to the Wellness Kitchen here at the Cabarrus Health Alliance. Tracy Adams is videoing this, and my name is Mark Allison. I'm the Executive Chef of Culinary Innovation at the Cabarrus Health Alliance. Where am I getting Canapolis from? Because we are based in Canapolis. Okay, so we are talking eggs today for breakfast or for lunch. Eggs are one of my favorite foods. They're so versatile, packed with uh, great protein, all 9 amino acids, healthy. Basically, whatever you can think of, you can add an egg to, whether it's a baked item or some kind of savory dish. So we've got our eggs here. We're going to just do three basic dishes today. We're going to do an omelette, a scrambled egg, and a poached egg, and hopefully everything will turn out easy. So I thought we'd start with something like a three bean salad. So I've got a bowl with some chickpeas in, black beans, and kidney beans. I have a red onion, and we are just going to cut this onion in half. And then we want some dice. So we're just going to keep our fingers out of the way, and we're going to cut through the onion straight through and then across, and then just cut down, and that's our dice. Cut down. And because we've already sliced it in the right way, we've got our dice. So that's about as much of the red onion we need because we don't want to overpower it. Then we've got some cilantro, and we're just going to make that into a ball. And then we're just going to, again, keeping our fingers out of the way, just rock the knife backwards and forwards to roughly chop up the cilantro. We don't want to chop it up too much because we'll lose all that essential oil. Okay, so that goes in. I have some local honey. We're going to add that. That out the way. I've got some apple vinegar. We're going to add that. Some black pepper and a little bit of salt. And that's basically our bean salad. And all we're going to do is mix that together. And this could be prepared well in advance. It'll keep in the refrigerator wrapped for around about 5 to 6 days. And that's going to accompany one of our egg dishes today. So that's the bean salad done. Out of the way. Just move these. Try and keep everything clean. Wipe down our bench, our chopping board. And then what we're going to do is, I actually made this bread yesterday. So we are going to cut off a nice slice from the middle. And we're going to toast this bread. So we're going to pop it in the toaster. While that's toasting, we're going to take a cereal bowl and we're going to add around about 2 inches of cold water. Then we're going to take an egg and we're just going to crack open that egg, put it into the cold water. 2 eggs into the cold water. Then we're going to pop this into the microwave. And depending on your microwave, depends on the time. My microwave at home normally takes 2 minutes to poach 2 eggs. This one I tried this morning, it was around about 1 minute 50. So we're going to put on 1 minute 50. Pop this into the microwave. 150, start, and let that cook away. While that's cooking, we're going to take a tomato. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to take out the core. Discard that into our compost. Then we're just going to slice through the tomato into strips, turn it round, cut it into dice. Move it out of the way. Strips. And this is going to go with our poached egg on toast. So we've got some nice diced tomato. We're going to put that into a bowl. Wipe down your bench. Make sure it's dry and clean. Then our avocado, what we're going to do is we're just going to cut through the top Find where that stone is, cut all the way around, and then twist. Okay, take your knife, twist out the stone, then very carefully just guide your knife through the soft flesh of the avocado, making sure you don't go through the skin, because remember you've got your hand underneath, both sides, crisscross, and then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to take out the flesh of the avocado. And then we're going to serve this with our poached egg on toast. We'll add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then that's ready to go with our poached egg, which we will now see how this poached egg has turned out. Clean our chopping board. Poached eggs, perfectly done. You can see the yolk is still soft. We'll just leave them in. We're just waiting for the toast to arrive. We'll take this out. Take a plate. Toast on the bench. Slotted spoon. Take our poached eggs onto our toast. Avocado and tomato on the side. How easy is that? There's breakfast, literally in 2 minutes. A little bit of seasoning. If you want to see that egg yolk, then let's cut through. And as you can see, it's still soft, still running. Perfect poached egg on toast, done in the microwave. Easy, anybody can do that. Cereal bowl, water, eggs. There we go, that's one dish done. Just clean my knife, wipe down our board, and then we're going to make some scrambled egg. So we're going to take 2 eggs, break them, pop them into our bowl, whisk up your eggs, we'll put the pan on the heat, we'll add a little bit of milk, whisk that in, add a little bit of salt, add a little bit of pepper, add some oil to our pan, just a small amount. We're going to add a little bit of oil to our bean salad, olive oil. We're going to mix that together. Swirl this oil around a bit. Got a nice ceramic pan. Okay, just pop that in. And then you're going to take your spatula and you're going to move the egg to the middle of the pan. So you're making egg curds. If it gets too hot, then take the pan off the stove. Just mix it together. There's your scrambled egg. Easy, not even a minute. Take our scrambled egg. Add it to our plate. We'll add some beans. There's scrambled egg with 3 bean salad. Again, how easy. was that? Not even a minute. Okay. And our last dish today will be an omelette. I'll just clean my pan. Get that ready. And let's make an omelette. So we're just going to break the eggs in again to our bowl. We'll do 3 eggs this time. Whisk them up. So they're nicely incorporated. You don't want to see any of that white, you just want to see all the yellow. We'll add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. We're going to add some herbs this time. So I've got some basil and parsley. We'll just take them out of the bowl, roll them up, take the knife, rock that knife backwards and forwards. The smell of the basil and the parsley together is absolutely tremendous. Just both hands on the knife, rock it backwards and forwards, pick up the herbs, drop them into the egg mixture, clean down your board, whisk that together. Pan back on the stove, a little bit of oil, let that warm up, whisk your eggs, keeping it moving, just swirl that oil around the pan, and we'll add our egg and herbs together. Move that out the way. Take our spatula and then basically move the egg around until it starts to cook. Looks a beautiful color. Keep it moving. Now when it starts to set, we'll just leave it. Clean down the sides. That will do. Let's take this plate and we will take some of the avocado and the tomato, and then we're just going to roll out this omelette into our plate. We're going to add our avocado and tomato. And there's another beautiful egg dish, herb omelette with avocado, tomato, parsley, and basil. 3 easy dishes, all made in 15 minutes. How about that? No